So, hello everyone. So, welcome to Earn with Priyanshu Discord group. And I know there are so many people who do not know how to use Discord, what is Discord. So, this video is only for you so that you can take benefit from this amazing Discord community where you can learn about affiliate marketing, crypto trading, future trading, Amazon FBA, and many more. Let me share my screen with you and let me show you each and everything what things you need to take care of in order to get the access to Discord and how can you utilize it step by step. So the first thing is, whenever you will be joining the Discord one, you will see the welcome area. In the welcome area there is a main chat where you can ask any kind of question. The moment you will be joining this Discord community, it will show your name. This bot name is Sapphire. It will show your name and it will welcome you, and any kind of question you will be having regarding the Discord, any question you want to ask, you can ask question here. So let me write down the message. Hello there, my name is Priyanshu Gupta. So you can also write the same message and give your introduction to the other people members, right? Another one is introduce yourself so that you can also introduce like this. I am Dramil, looking forward to start my own business on Shopify. Hi, myself Shreyas, looking forward to guidance for the side hustle. I want to learn stock, drop shipping or anything. So yeah, you can give your introduction here like this so that you can introduce yourself to other people as well and make your friends. Another one is the announcement. The announcement is regarding the Earn with Priyanshu Discord. So announcement is like we are excited to announce a fantastic opportunity to all Discord members, like the trainings or meetups, whatever the announcement will be, we will be doing the announcement in this channel. Okay. Another one is the results. So these all are the results by Ahmed, who is a professional in Amazon FBA. Currently, he has made like more than $54,000 in 7 days from his own brand. So if you are looking for Amazon mentorship, you can reach out to him. Another one is show your results. So you can see the result of Piyush is showing the results of future trading. So you can look around. Then there is a general. So this is the general audio. If I will organize any kind of conference party, you can join this audio and you can join this channel. It will be helpful for you. Okay. So you can use this area as well. Next one is the info area. If you want to know about Discord, what is all Discord about, and there are some rules and guidelines for each and every Discord in order to maintain the dignity and protect our community. So there are some rules, you need to read out the rules. And then there is a disclaimer. So financial disclaimer, educational disclaimer, so that you can understand why we have created this channel Discord for you, so that you can get the knowledge as well. And the same time we also want to give you some disclaimer so that you can understand each and everything. Another channel name is channel guide. The purpose of channel guide is to tell you about each and every respective channel, what you will get to know about it. Then there is a premium info. So most of the people want to get the premium access of the courses we have created for Amazon stocks, affiliate marketing. And if you want to know about the crypto premium signals, so you can upgrade your channel to premium one. You will be paying $29 per month. So perks is like you will be getting the perks, but you are getting premium signal, not financial advice, monthly surprise deliver, comprehensive venture await, upgrade your success. So you will be getting a lot of benefit if you will be uploading. So this is the upgrade one. Like if you want to upgrade for lifetime, it's 400 USD. Otherwise, it's 40 USD per month at this moment. And the refund policy is also clear. And then there is a Amazon. You will see Amazon. If you want to know about the Amazon, so you can go to the product research. You will get to know about how to do the product research, how to do the niche spotting. Definitely, Ahmed will be posting updates on it. Softwares, which kind of software you need to use for Amazon, deals and discount. Then networking, all the physical event information will be there. If we are going to do any meetups, in person events, we will be doing that. Another one is the mentorship. Like mentorship, what you are getting in his mentorship if you will be joining the premium membership. Then next one is the freelancing service, job and services, job opportunity. If Ahmed wants someone, any freelancer, definitely he will be posting job here. Next channel is the crypto channel. So this is the audio. Uh, where you can join it and you can start talking about the crypto. You can join anytime, any person can join. Then this is the crypto information. If you are new to crypto, you can know about crypto terms. What is crypto terms? What is crypto wallet? You can join the crypto wallet from here. Like you can download and buy the crypto wallet, crypto exchanges. What is NFT? NFT tools, tech services, leading earns, lending earns, privacy browser, send crypto. So all the information regarding crypto you will be getting here. Then there is a crypto general. In the crypto general, you will be getting to know about that the general information about crypto. Then you can get the free call as well. The free call is like the free signal by Piyush. He will be sharing the charts with you so that you can copy the trade and you can make profit. And if you want to learn about it, this is the learning material of all the crypto trading. If you want to know about the candlestick chart patterns, and this is crypto market discussions are also there, and chart discussion is there, world affair is also there, geopolitics regarding crypto, oil gas which is affecting crypto, memes, off topics, everything. And then voice call purpose is mostly like if you want to talk to somebody and want to do a conference with other people, the member in the group, you can talk to each other as well by using. Next one is the affiliate marketing. So I will be uploading free training here in the affiliate marketing challenges. Whenever I will do the challenges like make your first $1,000 in 30 days in the challenge, you can see there. Then there is a results of mine from affiliate marketing business. We have posted the results of us and our client as well, our team as well. So testimonials, if you want to see like our clients got the result. Then this is affiliate information. We will be soon adding high ticket courses which you can access. And then this is announcement, we will be doing the announcement. Then this is the general chat. If you want to know about affiliate marketing, you can go to general chat. This is about the financial knowledge. You can post regarding the financial stuff, spirituality, international students hub. Like if you want to talk about international student, if you are in Canada, you want to talk about part-time jobs and what is going on currently about the permanent residence, your immigration status. You can ask about the, you can go to this channel and talk to people. And motivation room is also there. Memes, if you want to share the memes, and FAQ, if you want to ask any kind of question, you can ask question from here as well. And the best part is ticket one. The ticket one is like if you need any kind of support, you can create a open, you can just click on the open ticket, and after clicking on the open ticket you can just talk to the person, like open a new ticket, and you can go to the ticket 6, and then you can claim, you can close with the reason, you can close it, you can claim it. And then only staff member can claim ticket. You can just click on it and you can write the message, I need a support. So you will be getting the answer soon. So and then staff member will close the ticket. If the staff member will reply, and then bots command are there. So if you will start talking, your level will up, and definitely it will be helpful for you. So this is how you will be using the Discord. But if you will get the premium one, what kind of things you are getting, let me tell you that as well. Like if you will be paying $39 per month, what you will be getting. So let me switch the account first of all here, and after switching the account I will show you what you are getting. So when you will join the premium one, you will able to see this premium hub channel, in which there is premium chat where people can talk, like premium resources for Amazon, weekly meetings, calls by Ahmed. So sourcing, suppliers, you will get to know about the supplier if you're doing Amazon FBA. So then sales, marketing. So this is like a under mentorship it comes, the Amazon one. Like okay. So another one is you will get to know about FBA basic, market trends, tools. You already know about it, but trade update, the spot trade by Piyush, you will be getting to know about the crypto one. So crypto premium you will be getting. So this is for the crypto general, and this is like education hub. You will get to know about the crypto one, educational purpose, educational things as well in crypto. And in the affiliate premium you will be getting some courses as well. I will be like showing you affiliate ads mastery, so I will be uploading the courses for you so that you can talk to us, right? So here I have created the ticket, so I can like it will create a ticket. So this person is like, I already asked, I need a support. Yes, I can help you out, and after that we can close it. So we just close the ticket now. So right now it's closed. So now you can see, if you have any problem you can just raise a ticket. So in the premium one you are getting a lot of things. If you want to know more about what you are getting in the premium one, you can go to info area and then you can go to the perks. So what you are getting: crypto news, premium announcement, Amazon one as well. So this is how you will be using the Discord. I hope you have understood the whole concept. Now go to main chat and introduce yourself so that you can communicate with other people as well. So wish you all the very best. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the Discord community. All the very best.